So here's this good old receiver, RC832, and there's the image, no signal. So the quad is powered on, the power is connected, the camera is connected, and thus it's transmitting a signal through this broken antenna. But let's see how to find the correct frequency. So it has two buttons. The lower one is frequency and the upper one is for channel, and let's just press them and see the monitor, and the image should pop up. Voila, it was working on 17, now it's working on 18 also, it's working on 21 also, 22, and so on. So that's how to search for the correct frequency. Just press those buttons and you might get an image from your quadcopter's FPV camera.